Hello everyone, welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. I am back again with one very important information for all of you. That is the recruitment of scientific officers in DAE, that is Department of Atomic Energy. So BARC has released the vacancies, the details of the recruitment process. So we are going to go through all of the details in this particular video. And if you find this video helpful, if you find this video good, please make sure that you like this video, you share this video among all your communities, among all your groups, so that everybody is aware about this recruitment. Okay. So before we start, let me tell you that today is the last day to avail this 30% discount. Okay. So those of you who are preparing for GATE 2024 and 2025, they can join Unacademy immediately using the code Ankit ESE to get the subscription at minimum price and to study under my personal guidance. Okay. So let me get started with this. Okay. So BARC training schools are providing two training schemes to deserving candidates. Okay. If you want to pursue your career in nuclear science, engineering, technology, so you have two training schools. So what they are looking for? A person who will relish challenges in science and tech, who wants to be a part of expanding program of nuclear research, okay, and who would enjoy pursuing innovative research. So basically they want a person who is an engineer, but at the same time who is curious to learn about nuclear energy, who is curious to undergo this training, to expand their horizon and to research, because what they do is they will give you a position of a scientific officer, and as a scientist, as a scientific officer, you must have a keen interest in science and technology. Okay. Now, they are called as the orientation courses for engineering. For first is called as OCES and the second is called as DGFS. Now, OCES is orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. DGFS is DAE, graduate fellowship scheme for engineering graduates and physics postgraduates. Okay. Now, once you successfully complete this training, you will be guaranteed employment as a scientific officer C in the DAE, that is Department of Atomic Energy Unit or Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, with attractive career progression. That is, your growth will be very good. Okay. Now, so 1 year orientation course for engineering graduate OCES 2023 and 2024, that is from 23 to 24, will be conducted at 5 BARC training schools at Mumbai, Kalapakkam, Indore, Kolkata. Okay. Now, a training scientific officer must have a minimum of 50% aggregate on completion of training program. That is, if you wish to be recruited as a scientific officer in this 1 year training, you must have minimum 50% marks, and successful people will be placed as scientific officer. That is, if you get 50% marks, you will be placed as scientific officer at BARC Mumbai, at IGCAR Kalpakkam, RR-CAT Indore, okay, Variable Energy Cyclotron Center Kolkata, Heavy Water Board Mumbai, NFC Hyderabad, Board of Radiation and Isotope Technology Mumbai, NPCIL Mumbai, ठीक है, Bhavani Kalpakkam, UCIL Jaduguda, then AMD Hyderabad and DCSEM, that is at Mumbai. So you will be placed at any of these. Now, appointment in DA units should be as Group A Gazetted Officer for Government of India, except in Bhavani, NPCIL and UCIL, which are governed by the Service Rule of Corporation. That is, other than these three organizations, if you are placed at any other center, you will be a Group A Gazetted Officer, but these three organizations are kind of autonomous organization. Now, TSO, that is Trainee Scientific Officer, who successfully complete the training and performance meets minimum eligibility criteria, that is 50% marks, are also allowed to go for MTech or MPhil in HBNL, okay, in HBNL. That is, if you wish to pursue higher education, you will be allowed to go once you complete your training. And if you are not desirous of pursuing higher education, you are entitled to pursue a diploma at Homi Bhabha Nuclear National Institute, and if it is allowed if your academic performance is above a certain threshold. So that is, they are basically promoting higher education. If you want to go for higher education, BARC is somewhere that you need to go. Now, a 2-year DAE graduate fellowship scheme for engineering graduates and science postgraduate, DGFS. It is for 2 years, 2023 to 2025. So somebody who has excelled in the interview for BARC training school program and also who have secured admission for MTech in selected institute are paid stipend and tuition fee to pursue their MTech. That is what, if you pursue GATE, okay, and you get a MTech seat through GATE without any involvement of BARC, and you have done well in the BARC interviews, you have a seat in MTech, you have done well in the BARC interview, they will sponsor your MTech. They will sponsor your MTech, but only in certain specialization. Why? Because that specialization must be of use to BARC, otherwise they will not sponsor it. Okay. Now, once you complete your MTech of 2 years, DGFS fellows are posted as scientific officer in DAE and you will be a Group A gazetted officer. So, DGFS is better if you want to get a proper MTech degree, because for the OCES, there is a limitation that you can go for MTech through HBNI, Homi Bhabha National Institute, but here you can go to IIT for 2-year MTech and they will sponsor your MTech, and at the same time your job will be guaranteed after completion of your MTech. This is a great scheme. Okay. Now, stipend and allowances during training. So, placement can be at any of the BARC facilities located in different part of India. So, you need to execute an agreement and bond to serve DAE for at least 3 years. So, if you are selected, you must sign a bond of 3 years, and the bond is for 6,78,000 for OCES and 14,40,000 for OOFS fellows pursuing MTech at UT Bombay and 13,40,000 for DGFS fellows. Okay. Now, the bond amount are indicative and actual amount for pursuing MTech at 11 certain OGFS institute may be different depending on the tuition fees. So, basically, since BARC is paying your tuition fees, they can change this bond amount. This bond amount is only the indicative part. Now, during training, stipend and allowances for OCES TSO, OOFS fees are paid as stipend of 55,000 per month. That is, during that 1-year training period, you will get 55,000 per month. During the training, the OCES TSO are paid one-time book allowance of 18,000. So, 18,000 is your book allowance in which you can purchase the book. DGFS fellows are reimbursed the tuition fee for MTech and are additionally paid a one-time contingency grant of 40,000. Contingency grant means emergency funds, 40,000 plus your MTech tuition fees. Okay. Per annum of 2 years to meet MTech project related expenses. 40,000 is to meet your MTech project expenses. Boarding and lodging in DAE of DGFS Institute hostel respectively during training is mandatory. So, you need to have a hostel. You cannot stay at a private place. You cannot stay at your home. You need to be in hostel. Okay. Now, once you complete your training, you will be appointed as a scientific officer in level 10. That is rupees 56,100. That is the base pay of the 7th Central Pay Commission. Selection process is the 2-step process. Screening of the applicants followed by the interview. Screening will be done on the basis of an online exam which will be conducted in March 2023 via STAR, because the actual date may vary. Okay, but generally BARC exam is conducted in the month of March. Also, if you have a valid GATE 22 or GATE 2023 score, you can use that score to apply for the BARC. In that case, you do not have to undergo a written test. You can directly go for interview. So, interview will be conducted only in Mumbai in the month of May or June, and final selection will be based solely on the performance of interview. That is, the written exam is just qualification. After that, only your interview score will matter. They will not consider your written test score. So, engineering disciplines, mechanical, electrical, EC, CS, instrumentation and civil are eligible. So you need to have a 60% marks in your BTech degree in order to be eligible for this. So no matter how good your GATE score is, but you need to have at least 60% marks. And if your college grants you a pointer, then you need to have a conversion to your percentage. Age limit for general is 26 year, OBC 29, SC ST 31. Application fees is rupees 500, which is non-refundable. Women candidates and SC ST are exempted from application of payment of application fee, and you need to visit their website online to apply for this job. Okay, so you need to apply online. So important dates are: online application will start from 1st of Feb, last date 2nd March, test will be on 1st and 2nd of April, last date to upload your GATE score will be 24th March, display of shortlisted candidate 24th April, online application slot, booking slot for interview is 24th April to 6th of May, and interviews will be between 16th May to 16th June, final candidate 7th of July. Okay, and if you want to give the details of MTech admission, you have to give the details of MTech admission by 10th of July. Okay, and the declaration of list of candidates whose MTech fees will be sponsored in the 4th week of July. Commencement of training for OCES will be 7th of August. Okay, so if you are taking admission in MTech through BARC, then you have to give that by 10th of July. Okay, and they will select you by 4th week of July. Okay, is that clear to everyone? Please remember the important dates. These are very, very important, and I hope most of the good aspirants, most of the good students pursue this opportunity, because here you get a chance to contribute for the country and work on innovative research. Okay. Now, at last, I would like to tell those who are aspiring for GATE 24 and 25, you have a last opportunity to get this 30% discount if you join Unacademy immediately using the code Ankit ESE. And this is the latest batch in which we have started with digital for GATE 24 and 25 by Sujay sir. So you can join this batch and you can complete your dream. You can reach your goal of GATE 24 and GATE 2025. So see you all very, very soon in the next informative video. Till then, take care. Let's crack it.